Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we will be learning 5 Samoan phrases that you can use at the shops. So our first phrase for today, Oleale fale o loa lale. Oleale fale o loa lale. And that means, what's that shop? Another phrase that you could use while you're out shopping is Ofea le fale meli. Ofea le fale meli. That means, where is the post office? So I'm going to take this time out to thank our sponsor who is sponsoring this video today. And today our sponsor is the Tamaiti program. The Tamaiti program is an early childhood learning program that helps you to teach your child or children Samoan. So the video program comes in over 24 episodes with a packet of 6 downloadable workbooks that can help to improve your child's Samoan outside of the video programs. So it is perfect for parents who are wanting to connect their preschool age children with Samoan culture, as well as early learning centres who want to increase diversity in the programs that they deliver. So check out the link below for the Tamaiti program and how you can get your free preview. Our third Samoan phrase that you can use while you're shopping is E fia le tau. E fia le tau. So that just means, how much is it? Very, very helpful when you're wanting to buy something to take home with you or to eat. E fia le tau. Sometimes in Samoa you'll find something that you're not quite familiar with, and if you're finding yourself in that position, then you're going to want to ask this question. Olea le nei mea. Again, the question is Olea le nei mea. And when you ask that question, you're asking, what is this thing? What is this? Very, very helpful. Olea le nei mea. Our next phrase is very important when you're wanting something specific at a shop. So you would ask, E yaise tortini. So I've just asked, do you have any socks? You could ask, E yaise susu. Do you have any milk? E yaise panipopo. Do you have any panipopo? So e yaise, and then you'd fill in the gap and put in the item that you want, whether it's susu, milk, tortini, socks, panipopo, coconut buns, or even a letio, a radio. So those are our 5 phrases. We again would like to thank our sponsor, the Tamaiti program, who have gratefully sponsored this episode. The link for your free preview again is in the description below. We hope that you use all of these phrases when you go shopping in Samoa. If you really liked learning Samoan, give us a thumbs up or like. If you would like to suggest some other phrases that you'd like us to be teaching you, write them in the comments below. Yes. Subscribe to our channel so that you can further support us, and remember to put on the notification bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thank you again, whawhatai te le rawa, and have a great day.